Another common mistake that causes major problems in 2D drafting is not using object snaps, or what we call Osnap. These are essential tools that help you draw precisely by snapping to special points on objects like endpoints, midpoints, intersections, and centers. When you draw without the OSNAP, your lines may appear connected visually, but they aren't actually touching. This becomes a huge issue when you try to trim or extend, or when you want to hatch or create boundaries. Suddenly, nothing works the way it should, and you spend hours trying to fix something that should have taken seconds. Trust me, it's, time consuming to fix it. Let me give you an example. Say you are drawing walls and you want them to meet perfectly at a corner. If OSNAP is off, you might accidentally stop your line a fraction of a millimeter away from the target point. It looks fine, zoomed out, but when you zoom in, you will see a small gap, just a small gap, and that gap breaks everything. The good news is, enabling OSNAP is easy. Just press F3 to toggle it on and off. You, you can also right-click the OSNAP icon on the status bar and choose which snaps to enable. For architectural drafting, I recommend always turning on endpoint, midpoint, intersection, center when working with circles or arcs, and perpendicular. Use these snaps Use these snaps consistently to ensure clean, accurate geometry. I'll demonstrate how to draw a simple rectangular room using only OSNAP. And then show how easy it is to hatch it, trim it, and annotate it because the geometry is correct.